Hi, I'm Rainer Ninaba. I'm the District Aquatics Manager for the Taupo District Council, and today we are inserting a brand new geothermal pump into the bore. This is to replace one of our old ones. The main objective of this is to supply hot water to the AC bars. Hot water is pumped 24/7, and this is to heat not only the pools but also the buildings. We pump about 600,000 litres of geothermal water a day through a series of geothermal exchanges. That is to heat up the water. That comes out at about 84 degrees, and we have to cool that down to approximately 40 degrees Celsius. In winter, of course, we pump more water, and in summer less water. But yes, these bores have the capacity to go up to 1,200 cubics of hot water per day.